Welcome to Chemstory AI Project, where every reaction tells a story. Today's story is called, The Mysterious Steam of Grandma Tunu. It was a bright morning in Kijibachi village. Grandma Tunu, the local herbalist, was busy in her kitchen mixing herbs to make a cough medicine. Her curious grandson Amani watched closely.
Grandma, why does your medicine always release that green steam?
Ah, that's my secret magic, my boy.
But Grandma, my teacher said there's no magic. Only science.
Amani moved closer and observed carefully. Grandma mixed green leaves with white chalk powder in a small clay pot. Soon, the mixture began to bubble and produce a light green vapor with a sweet herbal scent.
Now I understand. When you mix these things, they react and change. That's chemistry.
Chemistry? What does that mean?
Chemistry is the science that studies what things are made of and how they change.
Grandma Tunu looked amazed. So all these everyday things are chemistry? She asked. Yes, Grandma, said Amani. Chemistry is everywhere, in the kitchen, on the farm, in hospitals, even inside our bodies. Without chemistry, we wouldn't know how to make medicine, soap, or even good food. Chemistry isn't just a laboratory subject, it's the story of our everyday life. Whenever we cook, breathe, heal, or live, we are part of the great story of chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science that studies the composition, structure, properties, and changes of matter. Everyday activities, like boiling water, cooking food, or rusting metal, are all examples of chemical processes. Stay curious, keep exploring. Because every story is a chem story.